welcome to the Saturday morning real estate marketing show with Ruthierocks, Ruth Allbrand, and I am Marketing Max. Today is show number 746, and we got a short show for you, everybody, today. We had some personal events in Ruth's life happen this week, but she wanted to be dedicated to this show and come on anyways and just give you up-to-date stats on what's happening in real estate. And then we'll probably end the show and maybe talk about a couple of things happening in the real estate market on the seven-figure and above type of market here in Las Vegas. So before we get into all that, Ruth, what is happening in real estate?
Well, thank you, Max. Let's put you in the lobby for just a minute and we will show everybody what's going on here. There we go. We have 24 days of inventory and 1,770 of those are single-family homes. And 449 of those are single-family homes that are 436,000 and under. It's hard for me to imagine the medium-priced home in Las Vegas is 436,000, but it is, and they are selling like hotcakes. As you can see, we had 133 closings yesterday. We put 100 under contract, meaning people made offers that were accepted, and we listed 140 homes. So the sales average for February is 102 sales per day, which is the number used to come up with the 24 days of inventory. And, everybody says, and Max, you can comment on this when I'm finished, but everybody says there's no inventory. Well, there is inventory. It just sells as soon as it comes online. If you realize that, we sold 50,735 homes last year. We couldn't have done it without inventory. And we're on track to do the same thing this year. So I do believe that there is inventory. It's just that people are snatching it up because of the demand and the low interest rates, even though they did tick up a little bit. And let's see. Yeah, brisk 102. So we'll see what happens this weekend. I don't know if the Super Bowl is going to affect people wanting to go out and look at homes, but we shall certainly see.